everybody, welcome back to my channel. Brittany Story here, and you are back in Nifty space. So today's video is going to be a little bit different today. We are going to be talking about food, my favorite thing in the entire world. I love food. I love food that's good for you, food that's vegan, organic, and food that's not so good for you too, but I'm slowly trying to cut all that out. So today I'm going to be reviewing the 22 Days Nutrition Plant Power Protein Powder. And my lens is a fixed lens, so I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see this, but I'm going to try to put it in front of my big old head. So this is what it is. Yes, here we are. Here we go. So I was actually sent this from 22 Days Nutrition. They actually reached out to me and they wanted me to try their protein powder. So this video, just to let y'all know, it's not sponsored. This was just a gift. They actually don't know that I am creating this video right now. So for each scoop of the protein powder that you use, it's going to be 20 grams of protein, which I think is really, really good. Also, for the chocolate flavor that I really, really like, it's 120 calories per scoop, which I find to be really, really good. I find that using this powder, I stay full a lot longer, so I feel like that's pretty good. There is also 0 grams of sugar. Thank God, because sugar just makes me break out so bad, even though I love it so much. It's so bad for you. But yeah, so 0 grams of sugar, USDA approved as far as it being organic goes, non-GMO. It is also soy free, and it is also gluten-free for my gluten-free babes out there. So what you get is 15 fluid ounces, and it's going to be for $24.99, and that is around 15 servings. So they actually sent me the chocolate flavor and they sent me vanilla. I haven't tried the vanilla flavor yet. I'm a little nervous just because I feel like vanilla protein powders, like, they can be hit or miss, and I feel like a lot of the times it's a miss for me. So I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it with like some almond milk and try to jazz it up, or maybe mix it with the chocolate and the vanilla. Yeah, that's a good idea. I think I'm gonna do that. And just so you guys know too, they also have a strawberry flavor, and I think that would be bomb with bananas, like so bomb. Oh my gosh, I might try that one next. Okay, so I know the biggest question is going to be the taste. The taste. Okay, so when it comes to protein powders in general, I'm a little skeptical because I feel like a lot of them taste really, really nasty. Some of the ones that I've tried, but I have found with this one, it actually reminds me of one of my favorite protein bars that I eat every single day. It is the Think Thin protein bar, and it is the brownie crunch flavor. And if you guys are on the hunt for a new protein bar, I would try Think Thin. It's so good. They're not vegan, but I know they're gluten-free. I don't think they're organic. I think there's 0 grams of sugar in that too, and I think it's 20 grams of protein per bar. Yeah, 20 grams of protein per bar. But the brownie crunch flavor is really good. There's like a strawberry chocolate one that's good. There's like a lemon one that's good. There is a honey one that's also really good, and I literally am obsessed, and I eat one every single day. I kid you not, sometimes 2 in a day. And like the box is like, you can get it for like $5.99 at like Target, and they come with 5, and if you buy them individually, sometimes they're around like $2. So yeah, I'm like talking a lot about it because they are my jam, and I try to put everybody onto them. So you guys, please try Think Thin protein bars. You will not be disappointed. They're so good. So yeah, so the flavor, it kind of reminds me of the brownie crunch flavor, which is one of my favorite flavors. And I was so happy about that. I'm like, thank God, because I didn't want to waste it. I really, really didn't. So the flavor is really, really good. I like to pair mine with 1 banana, some frozen mixed berries, coconut milk, and then I'll do 1 scoop of the 22 Days Nutrition chocolate protein powder, and it's so good, you guys. It's so good. The first time I tried it, I actually had my boyfriend try it first. I'm like, okay, you can be the guinea pig, because usually if he likes something, I like it too, and vice versa. So he was like, this is really good. So I'm like, okay, thank God. So I tried it, and it just has this perfect chocolatey flavor, and you kind of get a little bit of like the protein powder flavor, but it doesn't have like a really like overpowering artificial flavor, if that makes sense, or like artificial sweetener, because that sometimes is what steers me away from certain protein bars or protein powders. So this, it has a really nice mild like chocolatey flavor, so it's really good. I'm so glad that they reached out to me and I was able to try their products, because it's so good. It keeps me full for literally hours. It has a really great taste, and there's great quality ingredients. Oh, almost forgot. Let's get into the ingredients. Okay, so let me just read these off really quick. Okay, so how could I forget? So there is organic pea protein, organic cocoa powder, organic flaxseed, organic sacha inchi protein, organic chocolate flavor, and organic stevia. And organic stevia actually is one of the last on the list, and I was doing some research on the product. One thing that I did see, there's an article that said this is ranked one of the best protein powders because it has a really low stevia, I think it's stevia. It has a really low stevia amount, so it's not filled with that like artificial sugary taste, and they actually use organic stevia, and a lot of other protein powders don't. So I would definitely say this is going to be a new staple in this household, and it's actually helping create healthier habits for myself and my lovely boo. So thank you 22 Days Nutrition again for sending me this to try. You guys should definitely try it. Again, try the Think Thin protein bars too. That's not sponsored, that has nothing to do with this video, but the reason why I'm bringing those protein bars up is because that is probably the best protein bar that I have ever tried, and I eat them every day. And the brownie crunch, like I was saying earlier in the video, is very similar as far as the taste goes to the chocolate protein powder. So if you like the Think Thin, you would love this. If you love this, you would like the Think Thin. So yes, you guys, I hope you guys love this video. I love talking about food and just healthy drinks and healthy food and all that good stuff. So yes, guys, thanks so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.